Hello, my name is Ken McKenzie, President of the World Shinmu Hapkido Federation and the proud owner of McKenzie's Taekwondo and Hapkido Institutes right here in southern New Jersey. Today we'll be discussing the whip punch, a very fast punch often called the back fist strike. Now for today's technique, we will be using the back part of the hand and in particular the two large knuckles. This strike, which can first chamber near my ear, will strike out. Now more than just an arm swing, representing only the power of the arm itself, I will be twisting my technique, thus at the end of the technique having a snapping motion. Now if you're to picture an actual whip as it flows through the air, and at the end there's the crack, the little explosion of power that happens at the very end, I like to try to have that happen with my whip punch as well. So starting at my ear, striking out, and twisting at the very last motion. This technique is not only fast and accurate, but also very powerful. At this point, I'd like to invite my assistant, Black Belt Dave, to join me. Sir. I'd like to illustrate how this technique can work. If you could assume the fighting position. What I'm going to do first is demonstrate the traditional whip punch, back fist strike, which chambers near my ear and moves forward towards the target. Now, my primary targets are going to be on the side of his head, either the temple or the jaw hinge. However, I could come down and strike other targets, such as the bridge of the nose. For today's purposes, I will be going to the side of the head. In order for me to control the distance, I may have to take a lunging step with my front foot. This is going to close the gap, bringing me closer to the target, and at the same time allow the energy of my entire body moving to translate into the technique. Dave, what I'd like to do is I'd like to have you try to block my technique as I'm coming in.
Sir.
And I want you to try for real.
Sir.
I'm going to stay very loose, and when I'm ready, I'm going to strike in and out. Now my goal here is to have amazing speed, striking the target and retracting my technique before he has the opportunity to react. One more chance. Hey! Thank you, very nice. Chariot. Kyungyet. Once again, I'm Ken McKenzie with the World Shinmu Hapkido Federation. Be sure to visit us at www.worldshinmuhapkidofederation.com. Thank you.